Voice News, I am Palak with you. Coronavirus. Delhi government to buy vaccine global tender for 10 million doses released. The bidder can send his proposal to the Central Procurement Agency and DGHC Delhi government by 5 p.m. on 7 June. The condition is that the vaccine should be recognized by the Drug Controller General of India, that is DGCI. New Delhi. Outbreak of second wave of deadly coronavirus continues in the country. Meanwhile, in the view of the lack of vaccines, Delhi Arvind Kejriwal's government has now the plan to purchase the vaccine from the abroad. The Health Department of Delhi has issued a global tender for 10 million doses. Last complement to bid 7 June. It is being that the last complement to bid for issuing the tender is 7 June. In the tender issued for vaccine procurement, the international manufacturers of coronavirus vaccine and the authorized agents have asked for the techno-commercial proposal to import the vaccine. Vaccine should have got DGCI approval. The bidder can send his proposal to the Central Procurement Agency and DGHC Delhi government by 5 p.m. on 7 June. The condition is that the vaccine should be recognized by the Drug Controller General of India, that is DGCI. In the proposal, the bidder will have to give information about how many doses they will supply within the first 7 days, 8 to 15 days, 16 to 23 days, and 24 to 23 days, and the 31 and 45 days before the supply order is issued. Efforts are on to attract foreign vaccine manufacturers. Central government, at the same time, the Union Health Minister has said that the statement, the concentrate action is a strong indication that the government of India will increase the production of vaccines in the country as well as provide the foreign vaccine manufacturers with the necessary vaccine supplements for the national COVID vaccination program. Every effort is being made to attract supply. The ministry said that despite availability concentrates, India has done well by the immunizing 200 million people in the just 130 days, which is the third largest coverage is in the world. If you're watching on Facebook, then follow this page. If you're watching on YouTube, then like, subscribe and share. And don't forget to press bell icon. Thank you.